Can I keep it real with y'all? Yeah, this is a segment I do sometimes just to be able to talk about something other than AI and tech. But today I decided to go ahead and take care of this stack of clothes that have been staring at me like beady eye. Just I need to go ahead and take care of it, and I decided to go ahead and do it now. Get it, fold it, put it away, and in the process of actually doing that, I stumbled upon old vision board. I guess I stuffed it over there during the time and had it folded up, and I just didn't look at it. But as I'm looking at it, if you notice right here, the date is 2019, and I would typically do vision boards yearly, just kind of have goals out there that we want to attain and things that we want to do for the upcoming year. But this one kind of hit a little differently. This one right here, I put a lot of effort into the design. If you notice, and I'm gonna switch it around so you can better see it a little bit better. But if you notice, everything is start from the top of God, Jesus, family, and a lot of things from the center out. A lot of things that I'm still striving to do, and the main thing of this video, I want people to know that you can always begin again. A lot of times we think that just because we didn't do something in the time frame that we didn't do it, that wasn't, it didn't happen. And a lot of times we just throw in a towel, forget about it or whatever. But it's all about timing. And, I'm a praying man, a man of faith. So I believe that everything is of God's timing. And just because I want things to happen, that's not always what God's timing is. And a lot of these things that are on here, yeah, sure, I've done some of these things the way the other stuff or whatever, but some of the other aspirational things that I did want to do, I haven't done yet. But guess what? I can begin again. I've been led to see this list of stuff again, and now I can work on these things. Nothing on here is any kind of proprietary secret stuff, so you're not going to get any kind of passwords or anything crazy out of here. But what you will see, a lot of family oriented things. And if you look here, my kids are much older now, but everything is just centered with more prayer, more time with family, family, stronger relationship with my wife, stronger relationship with my children, and also just doing things for myself to make sure I'm in the best possible shape for them, not just from a physical standpoint, but a mental standpoint, financial standpoint. And although some of these things are still in play, and working on a lot of those things to secure not only our future and make sure that we're doing things that we need to do, but I know that, even though I haven't done some of the stuff, like some of the dress up stuff. I hate dressing up. I really do. Most of the time, you're gonna see me videos doing with probably it's like a grunge T-shirt or at most probably a polo shirt, and I'm comfortable with that. I'm not really a suit and tie kind of guy, but I'm willing to do that if it makes a difference for my wife and also my kids or whatever. But most of the stuff is mainly for just being able to being stronger for them and having a stronger bond, because I think we have stronger families, we have a stronger society, and I think that's where a lot of stuff we're lacking now. But yeah, just want to reach out to anyone out there and just been struggling, and again, I'm keeping it real with you. Um, um, just begin again. Start that business. Start that new venture that you've been thinking about. Go back to school. If you've been thinking about changing a career, anything that you've been thinking about, you can begin again. You're not stuck. You can do whatever you want, because every day that we're above ground, we have an opportunity, no matter what.